Sensation and perception. Sensation and perception affect human psychological experiences and approaches. Perception allows us to understand and interpret what sensations actually mean to us. In this activity, we will have our sense to be our vision, our stimulus to be light waves, and our sense organ to be the eye. Our body has sensory receptor cells, and these respond to stimuli in the external or internal environment of an organism. For our eye, we have rods and cones in our retina. The rods are retinal receptors that distinguish between black, white, and gray. The cones are receptor cells located near the center of the retina that detect details and generate color sensations. The rods are also more sensitive to light, and the cones specialize in detecting color and visual acuity. Absolute thresholds are the smallest possible stimulus that can be detected. An example of this absolute threshold could be a candle flame seen 30 miles away from where someone is. We also have difference threshold. This is the smallest amount by which two sensory stimuli can differ in order for an individual to perceive them as different. Intensity is the amount of energy contained in light or sound of wave, perceived as either brightness or loudness, based on amplitude of wave. Also, just noticeable difference is the smallest difference between two stimuli that can be detected, 50% of the time. A human eye has wavelengths, and these are the distances from one peak to another. In the range of these wavelengths, we have electromagnetic radiation, that is visible light, or is just simply light. Lastly, the human eye has the fovea, where the visual information concentrates, also the optic disc, and the blind spot, which have no rods or cones. Don't ever forget, without our eyes, it'd be pretty impossible to see.
Hi, I'm Dr. H. Have you ever imagined how many times we take our eyesight for granted? We think that just what we can see in front of us is enough. But I have designed these special eye drops called Psych drops, where you can see up to 5, 10, 15 seconds, or even years of your future. I have this volunteer with us today. Her name is Ilana Castro, and she will be showing this experiment to you guys and how awesome it is. Please tilt your head back. What's going on? What do you see?
Some girl, she was just walking by and she just tripped and she got back up.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
No way.